India covers an area of A 3 point B 3.5 C 3.8. Answer A 3.2 million square kilometers. Question number 2. India's longest border is with A Bangladesh, B Sri Lanka, C Bhutan, D Afghanistan. Answer A Bangladesh. Question 3. In India there is a vast plain in A north, B south, C east. Answer A north. Question 4. Till 2024, the Hyderabad will be the capital of both the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. A Hyderabad, B Secularábad, C Nellore, D Amarvadi. India is situated into southern part of Asia. Option A Indo-Myanmar, B Asia, C Sri Lanka. Question 6. The dash ranges of the Himalayas is the most continuous of all the ranges. A Himachal, B Aravalli, C Sivaliks, D Himadri. Answer D Himadri. Question 7. India occupies dash percent of the world's land area. A 3.5, B 2.4, C 7.5. Answer B 2.4. Question 8. The deltaic region of Lower Ganga, the uplands are known as A Chas, B Banghar, C Terai, D Bids. Answer A Chas. Question 9. India is the largest country regarding its area. A 7th, B 3rd, C 4th. Answer A 7th. Question 10. The A Yamuna, B Godavari, C Ganga, D Kaveri river system is the largest drainage system of India. Question 11. India is 3 times smaller than USA. A 10, B 7, C 3. Question 12. India has a predominant position in the Indian Ocean realm. A Bay of Bengal, B Indian Ocean, C Arabian Sea. Question 3. No other country has such a large coastal line. A mountain, B plateau, C coastal. Answer. Question 14. India is connected with China, Japan and Australia through A Malaccan Strait, B Suez Canal, C Pearl Strait. Answer A Malaccan Strait. Question 5. The zero meridian passes through Greenwich in A New York, B England, C Los Angeles. Answer B England. Question 16. Dehradun is the capital of A Uttar Pradesh, B Sikkim, C Uttaranchal. Answer C Uttaranchal. Question 17. India is A republic, B democratic, C secular. Answer C secular country with total freedom of worship. Question 18. According to gaseous mass theory, the earth was separated from the dash. A universe, B sun, C Milky Way. Answer B sun. Question 19. The compressed force or TTC gave rise to Himalayas. Question 20. The Himalayas started growing up due to erosion of the agents of denudation. Answer A deposition, B transportation, C erosion. Question 21. The Gangetic Plain was formed due to A erosion, B transportation, C deposition. Answer C deposition. Question 22. The major geographic units of India are A6, B5, C4. Answer A6. Question 23. The Himalayas are made of A sedimentary rocks, A sedimentary, B igneous, C volcanic. Question 24. Palmits Knot is in the A northeast, B northwest, C southeast part of India. Answer B northeast. Question 25. Ladakh is in northwest of A Himachal Pradesh, B Kashmir, C Kerala. Answer B Kashmir. Question 26. The northernmost range of Himalayas is C Himadri. Himachal is highly rugged topography. Pirpanjal lies in Kashmir state. Smooth, rugged, narrow. Himachal, Sivalik, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. Pirpanjal. Question 29. Amarnath, Kendranath and Badrinath are the A valleys, B hill resorts, C pilgrimages. Answer C pilgrimages of Himachal race. Question 30. Sivaliks is the A. Discontinuous. B. Broad. C. Continuous range made up of mud and soft rocks. Question 31. An example of longitudinal valley of Siwaliks is A. Nainital, B. Mussoorie, C. Dehradun. Answer C. Dehradun. Question 32. Dash supports the growth of thick forest in Siwaliks. A. Pebbles and gravels. B. Muds and soft rock. C. Fine silt. Answer C. Fine silt. Question 33. The Purvachal mountains are of dash height. A. Medium, B. Short, C. Very tall. Answer A. Medium. Question 34. The Himalayas act as the dash barrier protecting from the foreign invasions. Answer A. Physical, B. Natural, C. Climate. A. Physical. Question 35. Dash soil helps the cultivation of crops in Great Plain. A. Block, B. Alluvium, C. Fertile. Answer B. Alluvium. Question 36. There are dense forests on the A. Peak, B. valleys, C. slopes. Answer C. slopes of the Himalayas. Question 37. The hill stations attract the tourists by its scenic beauty and pleasant climate. Hill station, B. pilgrimages, C. valleys. Answer. Question 38. The Great Plain was formed due to the compression, depression, longitudinal. A, B, C. Answer B. Depression force. Question 39. The depression was caused in the plains out of A. Erosion, B. Transportation, C. Deposition. Answer C. Transportation. Question 40. The rivers passed through their ways by eroding their dash when Himalayas lifted themselves high. A. Passes, B. Mountains, C. Valleys. Answer C. Valleys. Fill in the blanks. Roman after 2, Roman after 1. 1. The land in India get abundant sunshine from the dash sun. 2. India is the largest country with respect to area. Dash. 3. The shallow sea divided the Angara and Gondwana land was dash. 4. The southeastern part of the Deccan Plateau is known as dash. 5. The description of the physical relief features of a country is known as dash. 6. The Pamir Knot, popularly known as the dash. 7. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world with an altitude of dash. 8. The largest tributary of the Ganga is dash. 9. The largest plateau of the peninsular region is dash. 10. The largest and longest of the peninsular river is dash. 11. The Kaveri rises in the hills of dash district in Karnataka. 12. The dash river rises in Agastya hills. 13. India is connected with Europe through dash. 14. Himalayas and Karakoram provide a dash boundary in the north. 15. Gondwin Ashwin, also known as is highest peak of India. 16. The water body around the compact landmass was called dash. Karakoram stretches out eastern from dash. 18. Dash is the longest glacier. 9. The gaps providing natural routes across the mountains were called